is 29 coming in. He's got a whole bunch of buddies with him. So hurry. Oh. Who caught him? I think I'll be able to get a buddy here. Yep. He got off. I just dropped her straight back down. There's a whole bunch of them down there. Whoa, frisk. Oh man, look at the screen. There's more than one. Where this one came from. Come on. These smallmouths don't know how to quit. Not even huge. Frisk. 30. Oh man, we're down there. We gotta hurry up. Come on. Cooperate here so I can get your buddies. Screen is lit up. Get down there again. No. Yep. I got down there, but see where that couple of them took off there. Well, the ones under the boat left, but I got this one way out there. This might be a walleye. He's trying to jump. Oh, here he comes. He's going to jump. Come on. Jump with that ass. Again, the screen is lit up with a bunch of his buddies. Look at that screen. There you are. Come here, Bubba. Another good fish. It's been all quality fish today except for 2 small pike. He's got a bunch of buddies too, just like before. Look at that. 32. Get him in. Get back down there and hurry. Oh man, wait till you see the screen. There must be 10 of them down there. Oh damn, I can't believe this. Look at that screen. Well, I'm over here at Twin Peaks. Had 3 bites in a row, missed all 3. Finally got one on the big swim. As usual, I keep losing them on that thing, but you get so many bites, it's hard to not throw it. He's about a 20-incher. Well, this will be 34. Felt really little when I hooked them, but it got bigger. Yeah, another 20-incher. Fish 37, another beauty. Don't see no buddies with them on the sonar. This is a little bit different spot. I came back to one of my spots I was getting them before. I anchored about 50 feet away though, but I guess it's good too. Next cast. Whoa. I'm starting to think this is not a bass here. If it is, it's going to be dandy. Yeah. A lot of drag squealing. Yep, pike. Not too bad a one though. Probably 29 or 30 incher. Swallowed my jig. Nah, more like 25. Now they get him in the boat. Getting late in the day. 41. It's just right under the boat. I didn't even mark anything. Just dragging it. I said this was going to be my last cast because I haven't had a bite on this spot about since I got here, which was about 20 minutes ago. So now I'm sucked in for, this is fish 42 of the day, acting like a big walleye. Whoa. I don't know. Swimming around a lot for a walleye. Oh yeah, it's walleye. I saw him. Dandy. He did not want to come in. Look at that beauty. Another 24-incher. On a regular old ribster, purple one. We'll get him off, get a few more casts.